Warm greetings to all. Today is August 19th. Many are unaware of today's importance and many don't know whether a day is like this. Today is World Humanitarian Day. The word humanitarian has a deep meaning. It is a day to think that what we are doing for others. This year that UNO is observing Humanitarian Day to talk about climate crisis the world is facing or going to face. I am Vasuki, studying 12th grade in St. Joseph Metro Higher Secondary School. I would like to talk about we are killing rainforest. The silencing of rainforest is double deforestation. Not only the trees, but a deforestation of mind, music, medicine and knowledge. The rainforest, the lungs of the earth. More and more rainforest is being cleared worldwide. The consequences are drastic. Because with the forest, not only plants and living creatures disappear, but also many other existential things such as the air we breathe every day. Tropical forests or treasure troves. Tropical forests stretch around the equator across the planet's land masses. They are complex biotopes that are still barely accessible to humans in many areas that are thus far from being fully explored. This also means that it is not yet fully possible to fully what the rainforest does for our planet. However, there are plenty of good reasons to preserve rainforest given our current state of knowledge. First thing, home to animals and plants. Second, pharmaceutical treasury. Third one, climate regulator. And fourth, water reservoir. Rainforests are home to about two-thirds of the animals and plant species on our planet. We are still far from knowing all the species that thrive under tropical canopies, but already a quarter of all medicines are made from substance. The wealth of the rainforest benefits us all. Besides the biodiversity and importance for the global climate, the tropical forests are true treasure troves. Our everyday life is full of products that we owe to the rainforest. Among them are species, tropical fruits like mangoes and papayas, but also products like coffee and cocoa, and rubber, palm oil, or tropical oats are also an integral part of the lives of people in industrialized countries. In addition, there is a pharmaceutical use of the rainforest pharmacy, where new plants are discovered every year that can be used medicinally. The depth of the tropical forest presumably conceal plants that contain remedies for disease that are as yet incurable. With the decline of the rainforest, we are destroying undiscovered potential for future generations. And it should not be forgotten that are still people living with the tropical forest, indigenous cultures and customs and languages that are in part of thousands of years old and that are disappearing along with the rainforest, although they would be worth protecting as part of human cultural heritage. Rainforest under attack. This is how much rainforest disappear every year. More than 13 million square kilometers of the continental square are still covered by tropical rainforest. On the positive side, the destruction of the forest is happening less rapidly today than it was a few years ago. But still, more than 60,000 square kilometers of rainforest are lost every year. This is also means that the home of the people and animals who previously made their living here is disappearing. The consequence of clear cutting. With every piece of tropical forest that disappears, deforestation continues. This is not only causes the extinction of numerous species, but also disrupts the global climate and affect the planet's water cycle. After large-scale deforestation, the risk of soil erosion, drought disaster and flood increases and landslides also occurs more frequently. Therefore, the protection of the rainforest concerns us all. The whole of humanity is dependent on the treasure trove of tropical forests, the lungs of the earth. And everyone can make a contribution. Even small changes in one's own consumption behavior contribute to reducing the burden on the natural resources of our planet. This is not difficult and often even goes hand in hand with an improved attitude to life. Then the last quote is advice from the rainforest. Breathe deeply, celebrate diversity, Let your good ideas mushroom, shrivel often. Live green, have a fertile imagination, always keep growing. Thank you for the opportunity.